Hi, I'm Glenn Frazier. I'm the Business Development Manager for Dialight and formerly from Rockwell Automation. And I'm here today to talk about our IntelliLED lighting control system for our LED lighting for your industrial applications. Why are we here and why are we an Encompass partner with Rockwell Automation? Well, it's very simple. We have seamless connection into Rockwell's control systems, control logic, using AOPs and AOIs. Why is that important? Why is that interesting to you? Well, now you can take all your lights, your overhead lights, and make them part of your control system. So a couple of good examples for that. We really are, with this, are able to improve your safety, your productivity, and your energy savings. So what we can do with that, you can take your lights, connect them in your control system. Number one, you can use your panel views anywhere in your factory to control your lights, which makes that simple. You can do that from an energy saving standpoint if you want to turn lights on or off when you want to very easily. But if you want to get to the really meat of this, you have your safety. So to improve your safety, say if you have steel mill and your train's coming into your platform, everybody's wearing very heavy hearing protection. So if you can start blinking the lights when the train's coming in, you can warn people and let them know that there's a safety hazard coming. It's very important. From a productivity standpoint, you can do several things. If you have a paper machine and your web breaks, you can blink the light right above it, right above that problem, because that's exactly what's happening, and Rockwell knows what's going on with their processor. You can then also use any kind of sensor, any input on your line to help change the lights. So say if a safety gate opens up, you can turn the lights on or blink the lights, or if you have to replenish raw material, you can get people over there by using the lights by going to full brightness and get the person to get that, because everything you want to do is keep that line up and running as much as possible. So these are some great things you can do with the lights, along with your energy savings, which is always an easy thing with LED lights and control systems. So if you want to learn more about this and how we can help you with your applications, please give Rumsey a call or contact Dialight at www.dialight.com. We look forward to helping you out.